Welcome back to my LS Luxury Auto. When the name Ford F-100 is whispered among classic truck enthusiasts, it evokes images of grit, purpose, and timeless styling. For decades that legend lay mostly dormant, kept alive by restorations, custom builds, and the sheer admiration of fans. But now, the bold claim is that the legend returns in 2026, reborn in a vintage pickup that fuses classic soul with modern engineering. What does that resurrection look like? And can it live up to the myth? Let's ride along and see. First impressions resist understatement. The 2026 F-100 wears a coat of nostalgia-like armor, with rounded fenders, sweeping lines, and details that echo mid-century trucks. Yet there's no attempt at slavish recreation. It doesn't feel like a costume, but a living, breathing air. The front end recalls the upright grills of old, but integrates LED lighting and modern proportions. The stance is bold, the silhouette muscular, yet neither exaggerated nor caricatured. It feels like a truck that has journeyed through eras and adapted. Inside, the mix of old and new becomes more compelling. The dashboard might carry the broad, simple sweep of classic trucks, but it houses digital displays, modern controls, and premium materials. You sense respect for the past, but no fear of progress. Upholstery, stitching, and finishes aim high. You won't feel like you're driving a relic. The space is comfortable, roomy enough for today's expectations, and tempered by the right balance of analog switches and digital interfaces. In short, it aims to ground you in nostalgia without leaving you stranded in it. Under that vintage skin beats a modern heart. While full specifications are still emerging, the hints suggest powertrains aligned to current demands, likely electrified or hybrid, or at least heavily optimized internal combustion. The goal seems clear: preserve the feel of torque, control, and utility, but deliver performance and efficiency worthy of 2026. And therein lies a major test. Enthusiasts will scrutinize how well it balances power and authenticity, responsiveness and silence, durability and refinement. On the road, one hopes the 2026 F-100 feels like a truck, not a toy. The vintage aura gives it presence, but it must handle modern speeds, highway manners, and dynamic expectations. Good suspension tuning, braking, and steering calibration will determine whether this is a novelty or a genuine generation bridge. The ambition is to offer the sensations of vintage, the growl, the heft, the connection, while keeping up with modern traffic and confidence. This rebirth matters because the F-100 is more than metal and engine, it's a cultural icon. The F-100 nameplate laid groundwork for Ford's F-Series legacy, embodying a type of American truck spirit deeply embedded in automotive lore. Over the years, custom builders and restomotive shops have kept its spirit alive, vintage trucks retrofitted with V8s, modern suspension, and creature comforts. The 2026 revival is not from those garages but from the brand itself, which raises both expectations and scrutiny. Part of the charm is emotional. When a manufacturer resuscitates a model like the F-100, it sends a signal: heritage is alive, roots matter, and there's room for emotional storytelling in a world of sterile sameness. Fans will want to see that the brand hasn't sanitized the soul. We want quirks, character, weight, feedback, not just a pretty showpiece. Of course, there will be skeptics. Some will argue this is nostalgia leveraged for marketing, or that authenticity is compromised by safety and emissions rules. They'll question whether the weight of emissions controls, battery packs, crash zones, and modern regulations will dilute the rawness that made the original beloved. The true test will be whether drivers feel more transported than constrained, more connected than distant. If all goes well, the 2026 F-100 could become an aspirational benchmark, a pickup that doesn't just look back fondly but holds its own in the present. Enthusiasts might use it as a daily driver, restoration template, or showpiece, bridging the worlds of classic and contemporary. It might inspire a new wave of vintage-inspired trucks, or influence how legacy brands tap into the design heritage. In YouTube reviews like the one above, early reactions show a mix of wonder and questions. The visual reveal is strong and emotional, that retro glow captures imaginations. But deeper reviews must probe drive feel, handling, usability, and long-term maintainability. If owners start taking them through high mileage, off-road challenges, or heavy use, that will be when the legend is truly tested. Ultimately, the resurgence depends not on pedigree alone but on execution. A legendary name alone won't convince skeptics. Performance, feedback, and emotional resonance will. If Ford can deliver a machine that feels vintage yet lives in 2026, not just in appearance but in spirit, then yes, the legend is back, and perhaps reborn stronger than ever.